Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Airbnb cities on AirDNA. So if you come to the home page, right, and you go to the market search, basically the explore feed, you can find the different markets that are available and the market ratings. So this one is rated at 100. If you scroll down, Las Vegas rated at a 99. It's a mid-sized city. You can see the revenue potential, the average occupancy, how much you expect to charge per day. This data is over the last 12 months. Or you can also go ahead and choose here sub-markets, right? You can filter it by market score, occupancy, revenue potential. So if you want to be on the safer side, you can go for occupancy and basically look for sub-markets where there's not that much competition going on. As you can see, these places have basically 100% occupancy. That probably means that, so here we have Hyde Park, we have Rochester, which is in Detroit, we have Lakeshore, San Francisco, okay? But I would suggest going for things that have also a decent market score. And these ones don't even have revenue potential data, so you want to go ahead and avoid those. Honestly, just go ahead and stick to market score. That is the best way. Now, Denver Heights is doing really good, so go ahead and open this. And now I will show you what exactly you need to be doing. So you want to look out for growth. So look at this. Annual revenue has been growing over 46%. This is a highly growing market. Occupancy rate, 36% growth. Those are some big numbers, especially on AirDNA. Even I'm surprised seeing this right now. Okay, investability 84, really good score. Seasonality is 85. This means that, you know, it is very, very stable in the sense that it doesn't depend on specific seasons where there tends to be increase in the number of rentals, right? And as you can see in this area, only 52 listings. So I think this market is quite under tap, and most people have only rented out 4 bedrooms. So there's definitely a gap right here. You can go ahead and list some 1 bedrooms, some 2 bedrooms, some 3 bedrooms. Of course, there'll be demand for those, right? And here you go, guys. We have found a potential Airbnb city. There is demand, and it has been underserved, as you can see.